Alrighty, y'all. We out here. Arroyo City, Texas. We out here at
Let's get started.
the park. I'm throwing out some glow shads real quick. Probably switch up to some Texas-made lures. Yeah, guys, let's see what we can get, man. Looks like the trout are coming out.
Oh, that's real good.
Night out here. Try to get it. It's been a minute since we. There we go. Good job, guys. Little baby. But hey, they biting. You gotta start somewhere. Still early. They're starting to come out. A big old croaker. Think so. Or a sandy. It's got that yellow mouth, but no specks. Sand trap. Yeah. Yeah, guys, check it out. A little sandy. Nice little trout. Get him back. If he was bigger, we would have kept him, but that size, we'll throw him back. All right, the glow shots are working, guys, but I just really want to throw out these Texas-made lures. I know they're money under these lights. Shout out to Texas-made, man. Check these out. I'm gonna be throwing out these Texas Bay Bug Copperhead colors. Look at them. You know that gold's gonna shine under the light nice, so toss these out. Shout out Texas-made, man. See what we can get. These old glow sheds off. Out with the old, in with the new, man. Let's see. Got a good feeling about these bad boys. Gonna throw some mullet sauce on them. Check it out. Couple sprays. Couple sprays. All right, we good. I hit like a tank. Getting a little bigger. Texas made. The shrimp lures. Check it out, guys. Texas made right in the mouth. Right in the corner, that's where you want it. Nice little speckler. Hopefully they get bigger. But hey, they're biting. Yes, sir. At least they're biting. They're biting up close for me.
Yeah, they'll follow it to the end.
Little baby. There we go. Another little fish. Oh, that Texas made lure, man. A little baby, but yeah, man. We out here just having fun. Oh, that was a fail. I discombobulated him. There we go. Little baby. Another sandy. Alright, buddy, relax. Twisting up my line. Ow. Oh yeah, for sure. These little shrimp lures right here. If you want, man, I got a couple in there.
No, I got those.
Yeah, these are the Texas made lures. They sell them at my dad's shop. They're in Harlingen, hook, line, and sinker. But yes, sir, these are money under the light. And pretty much any color, man. It's just that profile, that shrimp profile.
Yeah.
Like,
No, I had a little bit. There's so many different ones.
yes, sir. That's how you know the lures work, guys. You got people coming up and asking you what you're using. Shout out Texas made, man. I might switch up and throw some Seth Lures out here in a little bit. But for right now, we're throwing out these Texas maids. They're working out, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Alright. Alright, y'all, we switched it up. Now we're gonna be throwing out these Cosmos Seth Lures. Shout out Seth. Here, look, I'll show y'all the package. Shout out Seth Fishing, man. Also one of my go-to lures right here. See what we can get, man. Like these lures, they're easy to use, man. Just retrieve them. You don't even gotta twitch them, nothing. That paddle tail does all the work for you. But I like to twitch my lures, so just give them the extra little flair. I twitch them every now and then. There it is, right there. Nice little Trotskys, guys. Seth Lures right in the corner of the mouth. Here we go, baby. Try getting some airtime. What's a male? He pissed. She's pissed. Alright, let's get him up. That little dinker, bro. Dink City. It's Arroyo City or Dink City? Nah, we having fun, man. Oh, stop it. You're gonna mess yourself up. Alright. Check that one out, guys. Another little dinker. Going back home. See you, bud. Alright. I'll give it a couple more casts, y'all. There we go. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. About time. He hit it like a tank. What? Hit it like a tank, he did. Alright, y'all, check out this one. Got that Uzuri right in the corner of the mouth. Come on, man. You can't beat it. Can't beat the Uzuri, man. That's probably my favorite lure. It's my favorite lure right now. Buddy, hold on. Alright, y'all, check out that trout. Nice little 13, 14-inch trout right there. Let's get him back, man. See you, bud. There we go. Oh, feels all right. All right. Another Trotskys. Yes, sir. Yeet. Got him. Got him. All right. Relax, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Hold on. There we go. Check it out, y'all. That's your fault. That is your fault. You done? Okay. Check out that trout, guys. Nice little Trotskys. Back home. All right, we out, guys. It's Dink City tonight. I just wanted to come out and get some content, man. It's been like a month since I uploaded, so I've been getting the itch to get out and record. Hey, but I have fun, man. Always have fun getting out and doing some fishing. But yeah, man, look for us in the next episode to be doing some surf fishing, some sort of beach fishing. We're gonna be fishing SPI, so y'all stay tuned for that. But I appreciate you guys stopping by, man, hanging out with me for a little bit. And hey, man, here's to many more videos. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.